Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay, and on Tuesdays I like to do Trader Joe's Tuesdays videos. On Instagram, I've been doing these videos where I make this insane peppermint hot chocolate, and I just use the pre-made mix that comes from Trader Joe's, this peppermint hot chocolate, but the toppings that I put on it, that's what makes it super extra and delicious, and everybody has been commenting and saying how they're dying to try it, so I figured I should make a full video and put it on here on YouTube. I prepped the ingredients for the toppings already. So we're gonna use marshmallows, whipped cream, and the peppermint bark from Trader Joe's. Yum! Gotta do that. I'm just following the recipe. So you take 3/4 of a cup of hot water or milk. I just use water. You don't need to use milk. It's already rich enough if you're putting all this stuff in. And then I'm gonna stir in the 3 tablespoons of mix into it. Okay, water's boiling. Turning the stove off. I'm just gonna use 3 heaping spoonfuls. Do you wanna mix it with this milk frother? I got mine from Amazon. And tilt it away from you if you're gonna do this, because you do not want boiling hot chocolate to spill on you. Okay, that looks pretty good. So first I like to do the marshmallows so that the other toppings don't melt. These marshmallows are vegan, by the way. These Trader Joe's ones. Next we wanna do a healthy serving of whipped cream. Beautiful. Next up, peppermint bark. The best hot chocolate I ever had was in Vail at the Four Seasons Hotel. They have an insane one. And the second best one I ever had was at Angelina in Paris. Looks pretty flippin' good. Okay, now I have to take some pictures of it and then we will try it. Kind of hard to get to it on toppings. Oh my god. If you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, I would appreciate that so much. And if you like this kind of video, go ahead and subscribe because I make these videos every week. As you can see, the floaty of marshmallows is going to keep the whipped cream afloat a little bit longer, which I love. If you guys make this, will you tag me on Instagram so I can see? I would love that. Thank you. It's like dreamy. So good. Be a hero this Christmas. Make a big crock pot full of this. Put the toppings out. Show everyone the right way to do it. And everyone is going to love you. They're going to be so excited. And they're going to be all amped up on sugar. If you're feeling like having some extra fun, I've been pre-gaming with this mint flavored fudge brownie bar. This is absolutely fantastic. It is so freaking delicious. Highly recommend. If you have any requests or any products that you think that I should try, please comment them below. And if you want to follow me on Instagram so you can see me make things like this, I'll put my Instagram handle below and you can click in the description to follow me. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a great day. I'm sweating. This hot chocolate's making me sweat. Okay, waiting for water to boil over here. Bye!